Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Underdog Reacts and I watched the movie Jack Frost. Yes, it's not December yet. No, it's a bit early, but I watched a Christmas movie. Because I don't know how long I can watch movies, so I wanted to watch Jack Frost, but I didn't know there was a wholesome Jack Frost and there's a horror Jack Frost, and I thought I was gonna watch the horror Jack Frost, but no, this is just a wholesome Jack Frost with Michael Keaton, who we've also seen in as Batman. Yeah. Was this one right? No, 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 no. Let's just start with the movie, shall we? It's snowy outside and the camera goes down and we see a building. Inside we see a guy playing the guitar, and the camera goes to the right and there we see another guy playing the harmonica. We get the front shot of the band, the crowd here in the far front, and apparently the band is called the Jack Frost Band, but without the D, just Jack Frost Band. And the guy that's playing the harmonica, Michael Keaton, is Jack Frost. I think he throws the harmonica and then he starts to sing. We get a kind of a side shot. We see the keyboardist in the back. We then get the shot of the keyboardist, or first we get the keyboardist and then we get that side shot. We then see the drummer and then the singer again. But we're gonna leave that because if you want to know what's up next, watch the movie yourself. I like the practical effects of this movie. I think they used a practical Frosty, maybe, I don't know. Or they used the CGI Frosty. It was definitely a fun movie to watch. The green screen didn't blend in all that well from time to time, but that didn't really matter because it was still fun, and the ending definitely made me cry. Yeah, it was a good movie, and I will give this movie a 4 out of 5, or maybe even a high 4, low 5. But watch the movie yourself, leave likes, recommend a good Jack Frost movie, not Jack Frost, but Michael Keaton movie down below in the comment section, subscribe to the channel, check out my second channel, Underdog Eats, where the food source every week from time to time, also channel called my first channel, Underdog Reacts, primarily music, link down below in the description, and see you guys next time, bye.